In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shipping rates in Stripe. By the end, you'll have clear, customer-friendly shipping options showing right in your Stripe checkout. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Products, then head into the Shipping Rates tab. This is the central place where you create and manage the shipping options customers will see at checkout. Think of each shipping rate here as a reusable label you can attach to different payment links or products later. Click the button to create a new shipping rate. You'll start by giving it a clear customer-facing name. Keep it descriptive and simple, like standard shipping or express courier, so shoppers immediately understand what they're choosing. Next, set the rate amount. Most businesses choose a fixed amount, which is a flat fee added at checkout. If you want to run a promotion or absorb the cost yourself, select free shipping instead. Remember that each rate has its own currency, so choose the one that matches the products or the payment link you plan to use. Mixing currencies isn't allowed at checkout, so it's best to keep them consistent across your setup. You can also add an estimated shipping speed, such as 3 to 5 business days. This field is optional, but it really helps set expectations and reduce support questions. Keep the estimate realistic for your carriers and your fulfillment workflow. When you are done, review the details and create the shipping rate. You can repeat this process to add multiple options like standard and expedited, so customers can pick what works for them. Now let's attach your rates to a checkout experience. Go back to Products and open the product catalog. Then create a new payment link for the item or bundle you want to sell. In the payment link settings, make sure you enable the option to collect customers' addresses. Shipping rates only appear when an address is collected, because Stripe needs that information to show relevant shipping choices. Once address collection is on, open the shipping section and select the shipping rates you created earlier. You can attach more than one, and your customers will see them side by side during checkout. Before you share the payment link, double-check the currency matches your shipping rate and the product pricing. Clear naming and accurate delivery estimates go a long way toward building trust and reducing cart abandonment. That's it. You've created shipping rates and added them to a Stripe payment link, ready for your customers to use. Thanks for watching.